kind of fun. Whose mouth have you been spitting in? What? Mama wants you to spit in her mouth. Alright, let me spit in yours. Yeah, open up.
I'm gonna spit in Mommy's mouth.
I don't want you to spit in my mouth.
I love you.
No.
Yeah.
No.
You're excited, forget.
I don't want to taste sausage biscuit.
Go ahead, Bubby.
No.
So tell Mommy, open up.
No. No, no. Why don't you go spit in your daddy's mouth? That's what you said you wanted to do.
Go back to your part of the world.
Don't get up again, okay? No, you're not.
Just let the boy spit in your mouth.
I'm just gonna let the boy spit in my mouth.